some turns. A bird. Yep. Yeah, just keep making turns, okay?
No, I'm gonna do that.
Whoa, how fast are... Oh yeah, those are... Don't crash into those people in there though. Wait till they clear out. That's Coach. All right, you don't crash into Coach. You see Coach? He's right there. Wait. Can you ski around? Can you ski around Coach Quinn?
No.
Ski on the side of him. Go for it.
I can't even. I'm stuck.
You're not stuck.
I'll just get off.
Make French fries. Make French fries. You're good. Make them parallel, kid. There you go. Keep going. We caught you. Here, Mommy's going to go down there and I'm going to take video of you going over your bumpies. Uh-oh, someone else fell. Oh, buddy, you okay? Did you fall too?